guys, so for this week's vlog I thought I would do a little like vanity slash makeup room clean with me because my makeup room is a disaster from all the filming I've done for Vlogmas, and I actually do need to film some more later today. So I need to clean this room anyway, and I thought it would make for a good vlog style video because you guys seem to enjoy cleaning and organizing type videos when I do them, so thought we would do that today. Also, to be honest, throughout Vlogmas my goal was to do one weekly vlog each week that would just be kind of a compilation of a bunch of vlog clips from throughout the week, and I haven't vlogged at all this week. Honestly, all I've been doing this week is editing and work, and I haven't done anything interesting, so I have not had any moments where I'm like, oh, I should vlog this moment. So I thought instead of that we could do just a little clean with me vlog instead. So this is my vanity, not too bad. It's a very small vanity, which is great. I like it that way, but the downside is that it gets cluttered very quickly, so we need to work on that. I like having a nice cleared off space. Also just want to like wipe down the surfaces because I haven't done that in a minute. Oh yeah, I also need to clean my brushes. I don't want to do that, but I guess I'll do it for the vlog. Also, we have Miss Leia supervising. This is my foster cat, in case you haven't met her yet. She's a very sweet baby. She loves watching over me while I sit at my vanity. Okay, so that's the vanity situation. Not too terrible. Then we have this. So this is where I sit to film, and there's just a bunch of makeup here from filming videos throughout the week. I also have this cart, and the purpose of this cart is to, I guess, kind of cut back on the clutter, but then what ends up happening is the cart just gets filled with clutter. So I have all these press-on nail sets that I ordered that I need to find a home for that's not right here. Oh, and then another thing I want to tackle is this. So this is everything that I decluttered in my last declutter video, and I need to go through this and sort what is going to get donated and what I'm going to try to rehome to friends and what just needs to be tossed. And then this is a project for another vlog, but this right here, this is mainly a bunch of hard to recycle beauty packaging and then like some hygiene stuff too that hopefully can go to TerraCycle, but I'm thinking after I filmed like my year-end makeup empties for like my last vlog of December, we can sort through that and make a plan for recycling all that random junk. So anyway, that needs to be sorted. These are like candles that I need to clean out and either recycle or reuse the jars. So anyway, that's what we're working with. It's honestly not too bad, but it needs to get done, and I feel like if I do it for a video, I'll be like more efficient and I'll actually get it done. Versus if I was doing it just on my own, not for a video, I probably would like dilly-dally and not really do it. So yeah, but Leia's gonna make sure that we stay on track. We're in my kitchen right now because I have all these candles, empty candles, that I need to clean out. And I think the method I'm going to use, there's a few different ways that you can do this. This one I want to reuse because it's a cute like marble design. What I'm going to do, and hopefully it'll work, is I'm going to pour boiling water into these jars, and in theory the wax that's remaining should all kind of melt and then float up to the top, and then once it cools it'll be in like a hard layer that I can just easily take out. I'll just probably recycle these because I don't think I have a use for them, but this one I do want to keep and reuse. So this has worked for me in the past, so hopefully this method will work this time as well. I'm just going to use my kettle for this. those are doing their thing. You can kind of see the wax like bubbling up to the top. Hoping that'll get it all out. I may need to do it twice just to get everything, but in the past when I've done this, and you can see this one's doing it too, once the water cools, there'll just be like a layer of hard wax at the top. You can just easily pop out, and then it's clean. You might have to like pry the little wick holders that are down in the bottom off, but yeah, hopefully that'll work. All right, so I've got this whole thing pretty much cleared off, and I'm going to just spray that down, and I'm actually gonna let that sit for a minute because this is an antibacterial cleaner, and I think you're supposed to let it like soak for a few minutes to actually disinfect. 10 minutes it says. This is pretty much all the makeup from filming my last few videos that kind of just accumulated on that table, so I'm gonna put all this away. Things that I want on display. How cute is this? I'm testing this out. I don't actually feel like the product inside is anything that extraordinary. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. I feel like niacinamide is the new hyaluronic acid. It's like the trendy skincare ingredient of the year. But testing that out, putting this out upright because I want to see how much I have left of it. And then my little look how dirty this table is. I'll let that sit. So this right here is stuff I'm decluttering. Most of it is from my declutter video. Some of it is just other things that I randomly grab that I don't want from like my skincare stash. So I need to sort through this and figure out what can and can't be donated, and then figure out what's gonna happen with the rest of it. Really quick, also I just wanted to say, in my declutter video, I decluttered my Jordana lip liner in Plush Plum and kept my Becca lip liner in Spiced because they're two super similar shades. I didn't need both, but I think I'm actually going to swap them and keep the Jordana one and get rid of the Becca one just because I don't really want to support Becca anymore since they're an Estee Lauder company. I talked a little bit about that in my video about PR products I would and would not buy with my own money. I think I'd rather keep the Jordana one and get rid of the Becca one since I now have that new information about Becca. All right, so this stuff right here can all be donated. So I usually donate my products to Project Beauty Share. They have a list on their site of things they do and don't take. These are the things that I think they will take. These like powder products are all pretty gently used. This is like a barely used squeeze tube foundation, an eye primer. This is a brush, and then a few other things that I just have that I don't want. I also decided to declutter this Ofra Do the Do Shimmer Body Highlighter. I just don't need it. I got it in PR, but I just don't use that kind of thing, I realized. So that's what can be donated. This is the stuff that I'm gonna have to probably find a friend to give them to. These are like all lip products. These are the things that I think have expired and can't really be passed on to anyone. The rest of the stuff is still good and I could give to like a friend or something. So these are gonna go into my bag of recyclable, hopefully recyclable stuff that's probably gonna have to go to TerraCycle. And this stuff, I'll probably, like, next time I see friends or family, I'll have them just kind of look through it and see if they want any of it. This is like a cream blush. The rest is lip products, and then this, like, masks. Alright, so it's been probably like an hour and a half since I poured the boiling water into these. You can see pretty much all the wax melted up to the top on that. There we go. It's like a little wafer. Alright, so this one and this one still have some down at the bottom, so I'm probably going to repeat the process again, but all the other ones, it pretty much all came out of. Alright, so the last thing I need to do, I really don't feel like doing it, but I'm going to. I really need to wash my makeup brushes, so I like to do this at the kitchen sink just because there's more space. I just feel like it goes quicker when I do it in here. So I have my little brush tree. You can get these at like TJ Maxx or online anywhere. Just Google brush tree. This is where I dry them, so you'll see how I do it. But then I have my little brush cleaning tray, I guess. This I got at TJ Maxx, I'm pretty sure. And then I use a Dr. Bronner's bar soap. This one is like almost gone. But yeah, that's what I use to clean my brushes, and I'm just gonna go to town and try to get this done as quickly as I can because this is like my least favorite chore ever. I hate it so much. Okay, so that took a super long time, but it's done. If I would do it more frequently, then it would be more manageable, but no, I wait for like a month and a half until I like can't possibly wait any longer. And then I wait some more, and then I wash them, and it takes so long. But they don't all fit in the brush tree, which is why some of them are just kind of like laying in there to dry. But yeah, I like having the brush tree because gravity will pull the water down this way rather than it sinking back into the ferrule. I don't know if it actually works, but it helps them dry faster too. So anyway, that's finally done. And I hit pan on my little bar soap. It's so cute. All right, so Vanity is looking much more tidy. I still have this box of stuff that needs to be donated. And then this is pretty much the ideal setup for my little filming table. Just have my microphone, my mirror, and my coaster there. So that is nice and clean. And I did kind of tidy up the cart as well. It's not perfect. And I actually did end up keeping my press-on nail collection stored down there because I honestly don't really have anywhere else to keep them. So that's fine. Then these are the things that I'll have friends, I guess, look through if they want those things that I'm decluttering. But this is pretty much the best place that I have to keep those right now. Yeah, it's not perfect, but it's a lot more manageable than it was before. So my camera battery is dying, which means I think it's time to wrap up this vlog. But I hope you enjoyed this little vlog style clean and organized with me video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I am uploading every day in December. I'll have my entire Vlogmas playlist down below if you want to catch up on all my Vlogmas videos so far. But otherwise, hopefully I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Bye.